How to use Udacity review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Udacity offers online courses and nanodegree programs, but beginners often make mistakes that limit learning and waste money. Here's how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate the time commitment. Nanodegrees require hours of study each week. Skipping this leads to incomplete projects and wasted tuition. Another common mistake is not setting clear learning goals. Udacity provides many programs, from data science to AI. Enrolling without a focus can cause distraction and reduce value. Many users neglect project work. Udacity emphasizes hands-on projects, which are graded and reviewed. Not completing them means missing practical experience employers value most. Ignoring mentorship and community resources is another trap. Udacity provides mentors and student forums. Not utilizing these slows progress and reduces networking opportunities. Finally, beginners sometimes overlook deadlines and subscription costs. Nanodegrees are billed monthly, and missing deadlines can increase overall costs. Planning ahead avoids surprises. In conclusion, using Udacity properly means committing sufficient time, setting learning goals, completing projects, leveraging mentorship, and managing deadlines. Avoiding these mistakes ensures maximum learning and career growth.